Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to my video. In today's lesson, we're going to work on the end of year exam, practice paper 2, primary 4, just the questions in booklet A. Alright, now those in my class, I will have asked you to work out your own times table and do this at the start of the test. Once the teacher say you may begin. Alright, you must practice and you got to draw lines in order to make sure the table is neat for you to use it. Then let's get started. First question, you will add all this together. Simple working, I'll just be copying down the numbers and I'll copy them in order. I will all start from this side. So when I add them, it's simple. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus nothing here is 6. And therefore the answer is 62,403. Answer is number 2. If it's correct, give yourself a tick in your green pen. Next one. 2 and 5 are factors of something. So what does it mean? So I go to these numbers first. This number here is 12. Alright, so to know what are the factors, right? For example, what are the factors? Give me an example. Factors of 12, right? 12 will be 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. I'm looking at numbers that multiply each other to give me this number 12. In other words, straight away I can tell 5, I cannot multiply by anything to give me 12. So this is definitely out. 15, I don't have 2. 2 multiplied by 7, I get 14. 2 multiplied by 8, I get 16. I will not get 15. Out. 2 times 10, I get 20. 5 times 4, I get 20. Yeah, answer is 3. But just be very sure. Let's check. 5 times nothing will give me 27. So this is wrong. Next one. How many thirds are there in 4 whole? Remember thirds. This is a third. This is a third. This is a third. So in 1 whole, there are 3 thirds. In 1 whole. In 4 wholes, another 3 thirds. This is my 3rd whole, another 3 thirds. My 4th whole, this is another 3 thirds. So I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I have 12. Answer is 12. Next one. Which of the following fractions is in the simplest form? Simplest means I can no longer simplify any further. The answer is number 1, 4, 7. I cannot simplify that any further. How about 2, 6? I can still simplify into 1/3. I divide by 2, divide by 2. 6, 9, I can still simplify into 2/3. Right? Divide by 2, divide by 3, divide by 3. 3 over 27, I can still simplify into 1/7. I divide by 3, divide by 3. But 4, 7, I cannot simplify. So therefore, that's in the simplest form. The digit 6 stands for, now 2.564. 6, the digit 6, right, is this one. This stands for, see, this is actually the ones place. This is in the tens, THES. There's no digit here in the tens place because tens place will refer to something that is here. But there's nothing here now. So digit 6 will be in the hundreds place. Answer is 4. Next one. One of the lines is parallel to AC. AC refers to this line. See, A and C. Now, which line is parallel to AC? So I just look at parallel means lines that do not meet. I put my ruler somewhere and I see, hey, this is the other line that doesn't meet this line. So this must be the parallel line. So it's line FD or DF. I see FD here. So the answer is 4. Now for those who are observant, you will notice we have done this video before. You've watched this video before. Now I'm doing it again to show you how to develop the working. In the previous video, the working were already all done for you. In the figure, which angle is a right angle? So right angle, I use the corner of my ruler and I can see it. Now I'm going to use the corner of my paper because the corner of every rectangle is a right angle. So if I put it here, for instance, you can see that this is a right angle. These two lines meet exactly at right angle. So that is angle B. Therefore, answer is number 2. Next one, the figure shown below is made up of a rectangle KLMN and a square NPQR. So find the length KL. KL refers to this line. Now, if this is a square, I know all sides are equal. If this is 4 cm, this side here is also 4 cm. Now, notice this whole line here is actually the same length as this whole length here. So if I know what's the length of from N to M, that's equals the length from K to L. So here is 4 plus 12 is 16. Therefore, here is also 16 centimeters. Answer is 1, 16 centimeters. Which of the following is not symmetrical? Symmetrical means line on symmetry. So for example, if I have a line on symmetry, what would be symmetrical? For example, an eye here, a nose like this, all right, a mouth like this. This is a line of symmetry. Now, what is not a line of symmetry? For example, if this guy winks, or the person's mouth is like that, or the nose is like that, then this is not a line of symmetry because this half and this half does not look like each other. So here there's a line of symmetry. I can cut this shape into this and this. So this is a line of symmetry, but we're looking for not, so that's not the answer. Here, this is a line of symmetry. You can see that line cuts it into one half like this here, and the other half looks like the other one. Okay, just flip over. Here, this is the line of symmetry, cutting this shape into two halves that look just like each other, mirror images of each other. Now, this is the only one that doesn't have a line of symmetry. So that is the answer. Next one, question 10. Look at the pattern below. What's the letter in the 27th position? Now, MATH, MATH, MATH. So I can see that every 4 letters form one group. MATH forms a group. MATH forms a group. MATH forms a group. So if I use 27 divided by 4, I'm looking for how many groups of MATH. Right? In my times table, all right, let me see. So 4 times 6 is 24. Remainder 3. So this tells me there are 6 groups of MATH. So let's say this is the very last one. This is the 6th group of MATH. But that's not the answer because we are looking. The third letter will be the one in the 27th position. So which one is the third letter? So next one will be the M, A, T. This is the third letter. So the answer is number 3. Next one. Sam and Teresa had $960 altogether. Sam had 3 times as much money as Teresa. Sam had 3 times. Sam 3 times as much as Teresa. And altogether, it is $960. Okay, so how much did Teresa have? I used 960 divided by 4. So that means I do this. Alright, so 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 4, 16. So answer is 240 and the answer is number 1. Next one, question 12. In the figure below, the rectangle ABCD is made up of 8 unit squares. What fraction of the rectangle ABCD is shaded? So I'm going to cut this into equal parts, all become triangles, because what they cut here are triangles. Okay, this is one way of doing it. Then I will have 4 triangles that are shaded over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 triangles altogether. I simplify, I will get divided by 4, 1/4. Another way of doing is I shift this shape over here. I shift this shape over here. Then it becomes 2 shaded squares over 8 squares. Simplifying this, you will still get 1/4. Same answer, 1/4. Next one, the pie chart shows the amount of time Jiaying spent revising 4 subjects last month. She spent 12 hours to revise English. English, 3 out of 8. So 3 units represented by 12 hours. So in how much time did she spend to spend revising science? Now this is a pie chart, right? So this means this red line cuts the pie into 2 halves. Here is 9 degrees, means this is actually 1/4. This is also 1/4. 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. How do I get 2/8? Times 2 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So in other words, to find out how much time she revised science, I must look for 2 parts. Here is only 3 parts, 3 units. So let's find out what is 1 unit first. That will be 12 divided by 3. I get 4. Next one, 2 units will be 2 times 4 equals to 8. So the answer is 8 hours, and that is number 2. Next one, the mass of box A is 1.35 kilograms. It is 0.11 kg lighter than the mass of box B. So box A is lighter than box B, and by 0.11 kilograms. Now, box A's mass is 1.35 kilograms. I can find out already what's the mass of B. B is simply 1.35 plus 0.11. So 1.35 plus 0.11, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, decimal, 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 1 plus 0 is 1. This is the mass of B. But the question didn't ask me for the mass of B, so the answer is not 1. It wants the total mass of A and B. So this is my A's mass is 1.35, B's mass is 1.46. I'm supposed to add these two together. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Decimal, decimal, decimal. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, the answer is 2.81 kilograms. Last couple of questions. We unpack 6 packets of rice. Each packet of rice has a mass of 4.22 kilograms. So he had this amount left unpacked. So 1 packet, 2 packets, 3 packets, 4 packets, 5 packets, 6 packets. Every packet has this mass 4.22, 4.22, 4.22, 4.22, 4.22, 4.22. Right? And there is still 0.6 kilogram left unpacked. So how much did he have altogether? Let's add everything up. Or I can do this first. Alright, I'll show you both ways. I can show you 4.22 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6. 4.22 times 6. So how do we do 4.22 times 6 using the table? Okay, so this is how we can do it. So it's times 6, right? So I move my ruler to the 6th row. Okay, and remember this is not cheating because you're not bringing a times table into the exam hall. You made your own times table chart to help you. Alright, so this is perfectly fine, although it takes time. And the best way is to just remember your times table. Now, 2 times 6, I look for 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. So it's 2 carry 1. Again, times 6, right? 2 times 6 is 12. I must plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. carry 1. Now it's 4 times 6. So it's still 6 here. I go to 4 times 6 is 24. But I must remember to add 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. Last thing that I must not forget, there's a decimal here. So I bring it down. Okay, and by doing this, I will know if I add up 4.2, 4.22, 4.22, add up all these, I'll get 25.32. Of course, if you're not confident, you can always add them. 4.22 plus 4.22, but that's going to be so much more work. Then plus 4.22, then plus 4.22, then plus 4.22, then plus 4.22. We still get 25.32. See, there's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? You can still add if you're not confident with multiplying. Next, all together, right? I must add back the rice that he didn't pack. So 25.32 plus 0.6. 2 plus, there's nothing here, is a 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus nothing is 2. 25.92. Answer is number 3. Next one, perimeter of a square picture is 48 cm. So if there's a picture, alright, mountains, clouds, sun, all that. Perimeter means if we add up all the sides, we get 48. What's the area? So if the square means all the sides are equal. So I use 48 divided by 4. Alright, so how do you use a table to find out the answer? So I go to 4 first, and this one is a bit difficult because you only did up to 10. So you can't use this for doing this. Okay, so too bad. So 48 divided by 4 times 1, 4. 0. 4 times 2, 8. Therefore, I have 12. So here is 12 and here is 12. 12 times 12 is 144 because area means length times breadth. So you will get this as the answer. Answer is number 2. Next one, question 17. Now, table shows the number of cakes sold at the bakery over 4 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. How many lemon cakes were sold over the 4 days? So we'll look at these numbers. So let's add them. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 10 is 36. So the answer is number 1. 36 lemon cakes were sold at the bakery over the 4 days. Next, the question asks, the strawberry and the chocolate and the strawberry cakes cost $2 each. Right, they cost $2 each. Now, each lemon cake costs $2.50. How much money did the bakery collect selling these cakes on Wednesday? Let's look at Wednesday. So Wednesday, he sold 15 chocolate cake. He sold 6 lemon cakes. He sold 9 strawberry cakes. How much did each chocolate cake and strawberry cake cost? It's $2 each. So 15 chocolate cake times $2, that will be $30. 9 strawberry cakes times $2 will be $18. 6 lemon cakes. And lemon cakes, we found out the lemon cakes cost $2.50. So I use $2.50 times 6. Alright. And I will get $15. So if I add them all together, 30 plus 15 is 45. 45 plus 18 is 63. So the answer is $63. Alright, last 2 questions. Ravi and Dita started painting at 1400 hours. 1400 hours means 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Ravi completed his painting at 17:15. 100 hours, so that is actually 5:15 p.m. in the afternoon. Dita completed her painting 30 minutes earlier than Ravi. So how long did Dita take to complete her painting? So Ravi here, alright, both started at the same time. Now Ravi completed by 1715. Okay, use the timeline. And Ravi started at 1400 hours. Dita started at the same time. See? Both are at the same time. But Dita completed 30 minutes earlier. What is 30 minutes earlier? Let's go back 15 minutes. 15 minutes earlier will be 1700 hours. Let's go back another 15 minutes earlier. That will be 1645. 100 hours. So how long did Dita take to complete a painting? Now from 1400 to 1500 is 1 hour. 1500 to 1600 is 2 hours. So here is 1 hour. Here is 1 hour. And this part here from 1600 to 1645 with 45 minutes. So how much time did she take? She took 2 hours and 45 minutes. So the answer is number 2. Last question. Mr. Tang sawed a wooden plank into 5 equal pieces. He started sawing it at 9:20 in the morning. He took 40 minutes to saw one piece. He did not take any breaks. What time did he finish sawing the wooden plank? Now this kind of question you must always remember to, if I saw once, I get 2 pieces. If I saw twice, I'll get 3 pieces. If I saw 3 times, I get 4 pieces. So in other words, if I want 5 pieces, I don't saw 5 times. I will saw 4 times. Right? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? First, second, third, fourth time. Then you get first piece, second piece, third piece, fourth piece, fifth piece. Each piece took him 14 minutes. So, saw 4 times, right? Will take him 4 times 4, 16, carry 1. 1 times 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 56 minutes. He started at 9:20. Then you add in another 40 minutes. It becomes 10 o'clock. Then add another 16 minutes. You get 10:16. Answer is number 3. Why add 16? Because I can see 56 is actually equals to 40 plus 16. 40 is here. 16 is here. So number 3 is the answer. So those in my class, you requested for the video, and I hope this helped you, just like how the previous video helped you. All the best in your exam. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.